Hey everyone, so last night I had a soccer game and we took our first win, 5-2, and today we are in the spirit for soccer, so we are going to my sister's game and my cousins are here and we're going to get some footage from that game.
They were pretty good, buddy.
Pop's dog house.
You know, soccer field has just
Good kick!
There you go, nice!
I'm gonna die. There you go! Go, go, go! Hustle! The grass is cool.
I know.
You better hustle! Where's Victoria? It's supposed to be. Hustle!
Is this a good kick?
Oh! Get it back in! No!
Hey guys, so it is now Wednesday, March 8th, and I haven't vlogged since Saturday, and I don't have enough footage for a vlog, so I'm just gonna videotape some today. And the chickens are out, and we think they laid an egg up there, so I'm gonna check it out. Nope. No egg.
She was on this part, walking.
One day there will be goats right there. But in the meantime, no goats. Right, Nugget? No goats? Oh, what are y'all doing? I'm just talking to Nugget and all of y'all can't. Oh. All of y'all come through the camera. Like, no, my camera. These dogs driving me nuts. All of them. Yeah, I'm gonna go give y'all an update on our baby chicks because they're big now. And we made them some little like diapers so that they wouldn't poop everywhere when I get them out. Okay, going to see my chicks. Whoa, it's really dark. That's the heat lamp you see. Here they are. Big Bird and Susan. Susan's on the front and Big Bird's on the back. But I'll let her on the light so you can see. Okay, turn the light on. This is Susan. Our gray Sophie. And that is Big Bird. And they are getting big. So yeah. They're really friendly. Just like everyone says Silkies are. And that's awesome. Well, they get kind of scared when you pick them up. But okay, look at those feet feathers. Big Bird's really pretty. They love roosting. Like, here, you go back to your friend. There you go. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today. Whoa, hold on. And sorry for my redness in my face. I just came back from practice and we did a lot of stuff in practice, like I almost died, but that's okay. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I think I'm going to start posting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so be on the lookout for those vlogs. And yeah, see y'all Friday.